Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this final day of January. It's Tuesday, January 31st, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Here are the stories we're working for you on another cool night here in southern Wisconsin. Let's start with the Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan open house and public meeting. The City of Fitchburg Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan sets forth the general park layout, allowing for the opportunity for implementation as budget dollars are available. Specific details of each area of the park will be laid out and be determined as implementation of this plan is undertaken. A presentation and other feedback opportunities are scheduled for 7 p.m. and this is on Wednesday, February 8th. We'll be here at City Hall. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Scott Endel. His email address is on the screen. To learn more about our plan, head over to our website, fitchburgwi.gov. New building permitting software is now online at our website. It says here that OpenGov will allow homeowners and contractors to apply directly online through OpenGov software application. You will be able to upload all files and requested documents and potentially receive approved permits as little as one business day. The concept is to expedite permits, reduce paper, and inform you on the go that an inspector has been performed. Inspection, that is. We look forward to working with you, the residents and contractors, moving forward, and are confident that the transition will go smoothly. You can contact Jack. He's one of our building inspectors at 608-270-4242 if you have any questions or experiencing any issues with the program. Fitchburg businesses step up to support the Fitchburg Senior Center for Meals program. Statement coming out yesterday from the Senior Center says this: Little John's had ended a contract to provide meals with Fitchburg on January 23rd when Little John's abruptly ended its contract to provide meals with Dane County older adults. Local Fitchburg businesses have generously committed to provide almost 70 meals per day through the Fitchburg Senior Center. The meals are intended for residents enrolled in the Meals on Wheels program and those who dine in at the Senior Center. The businesses include the Great Dane, Thirsty Goat, Benvenuto's, the Quick Trip on Cyene Road, Oasis Cafe. All have graciously stepped up to provide hot meals over the next few weeks until more permanent solution can be found. These businesses will be reimbursed through the Dane County and Fitchburg Senior Center funds and donations. Jill McCone, director of the Senior Center, says, I guess you could say the silver lining in the dark clouds is in the generosity of so many. These businesses truly share our commitment to provide nutritious meals to those in need. We are forever grateful. Second Harvest free mobile food pantry will be coming back here in February. This will be on Thursday, February 9th. Second Harvest mobile food pantry stops at the Southdale Park on the second and fourth Thursdays of every month. No restrictions. Everyone in need is welcome, no matter where you live. No ID or proof of income is needed. Guests may walk up or drive through. Any changes to the days, times, or locations for mobiles are sent out via text. To receive these alerts, text Food Dane to 866-989-3123. Again, February 9th, they'll be at the Southdale Park from 12:30 to 1:30. That's located at 200 Deer Valley Road in Fitchburg. Author appearance will be happening at the Fitchburg Library. If you are interested in meeting Maggie Ginsberg, she'll be there on Sunday, February 19th. Join Wisconsin author Maggie Ginsberg as she reads from and discuss her new novel, Still True. It's at 2 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library meeting room if you are interested in coming out to meet her. Adult Storytime at the Senior Center will be happening this upcoming February. It'll be on Thursday, February 16th. Join Fitchburg Public Library for an adult storytime. Enjoy picture book, Frederick by Leo Lani, a craft and discussion with others. And this is on February 16th from 11 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. and it will be at the Fitchburg Senior Center. So it'll be 5510 Lacey Road here in the Senior Center. If you are interested in coming out, and you can meet Minda, the outreach librarian. She'll be running this program. Have a great day, everybody. Stay warm. We'll see you back here tomorrow.